In 1977, our mother, Rachel Doyle, started a nursery. She and our dad built this garden centre up over the years, and then in 1998 they developed this store on a 10-acre site here in Loughnanbridge. We are a garden centre at heart. I'm a horticulturalist, Rachel's a horticulturalist, but the dream was always to create a destination store, somewhere for people to come and while away a couple of hours. So we've invested in different departments: the kitchen store, gifts, Weber barbecues, and we are a Weber World store. And we've recently invested in our fashion department, giving it that fashion boutique fit that it always deserved. Our latest department is health and wellness. We are very proud of this because we're able to showcase some really inspirational Irish brands like Pestle and Mortar, Green Angel, and some local ones.